The dark side of social media, understanding its impact on brain and potential side effects. Today, we're going to talk about social media and its dark side, and how it impacts the brain and the potential side effects. Social media, designed to keep us engaged, can become a digital addiction. Notifications, likes, and shares triggers the brain reward system, releasing dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. This addiction can lead to compulsive behavior and decreased self-control. The constant pursuit of likes and validation can dysregulate dopamine levels, leading to mood swings and emotional instability. The highs of receiving positive feedback are often followed by lows when expectations aren't met, contributing to anxiety and depression. Comparison, culture, and self-esteem issues. Social media fuels a comparison culture where we constantly measure our lives against curated highlights of others. This relentless comparison can erode self-esteem, envy, and a distorted sense of self-worth. Fear of missing out, FOMO, and anxiety. FOMO, also known as fear of missing out, a prevalent side effect of social media, triggers anxiety about missing out on experiences or events. The fear of not being in the loop drives compulsive checking and contributes to heightened stress levels and a sense of perpetual unease. Sleep disruption and cognitive impairment. The blue light emitted by screens disrupts the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone, leading to sleep disturbances and insomnia. Poor sleep quality not only affects mood and energy levels, but also impairs cognitive function, including memory and decision-making. Reduced attention span and productivity. The constant influx of information on social media fragments our attention span, making it challenging to focus on tasks for extended periods. This reduced attention span hampers productivity and can lead to procrastination and decreased work efficiency. Cyberbullying and psychological trauma. Social media provides a platform for cyberbullying, where individuals are targeted with hurtful comments, harassment, and threats. The anonymity of online interactions can amplify the psychological impact, leading to trauma, depression, and even suicidal thoughts. Echo chambers and polarization. Social media algorithms curate our feeds based on our interests and interactions, creating echo chambers where we are exposed to viewpoints that align with our own. This polarization fosters extremism, reinforces biases, and impedes open dialogue and critical thinking. Digital exhaustion and burnout. The relentless barrage of information on social media can lead to digital exhaustion and burnout. Constant scrolling, posting, and engaging leave us feeling mentally drained, emotionally depleted, and disconnected from reality. Cultivating digital well-being. In conclusion, understanding the detrimental effects of social media is the first step towards cultivating digital well-being. Setting boundaries, taking regular breaks, can help mitigate the negative impact on our mental health. Thank you so much for joining this critical discussion on the dark side of social media. If you found this exploration enlightening, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and share with those who might benefit.